Hi, this is Ben Weddle. Thank you for watching this presentation on my computer skills, and I wanted to give you a short tour of my most recent computer build. It is built in a Antec 300 case. As you can see now, it has 4 fans in it at the moment, one top 140 millimeter and one rear exhaust 120 millimeter, and 2 intake fans in the front blowing on the hard drives. You can see in the back there the rear panel with the input-output ports. On the side here you can see an overview. It has a 750 watt Corsair power supply, a Radeon 4870 video card, a Zalman PWM CPU cooler with copper tubing and fins. Here you see a better view of the motherboard with the 790FX chipset. It has an AMD Phenom 2 quad-core 3.4 gigahertz processor with 4 gigabytes of DDR3 1600 megahertz memory. You see there a short picture of the video card, and also another close-up of the CPU cooler. On the I/O input-output shield in the back, you see the Ethernet, twin Ethernet ports, USB ports, video ports, and finally a close-up of the 2 hard drive fans added in the front, 120 millimeter. I have set up with 3 monitors, wireless keyboard and mouse. I find it helps me increase my productivity to be able to work on several different things at once. So I hope this gives you a short summary of what I like to do with my technology.